Leica cameras on a relatively affordable Xiaomi phone? Yeah, I had to check this out. This is the Xiaomi 17T, and from whatever little we have tested so far, the cameras on this thing are looking seriously promising, especially that 5x telephoto camera. In fact, Xiaomi is basically claiming you won't even need these kind of giant teleconverter kits anymore. Bold claim, but after seeing some of their photo samples, I kinda get where they're coming from. Anyway, let's quickly go over the phone, but before that, how about a quick subscribe to the channel? Design first, and honestly, this feels very close to the Xiaomi 17. But weirdly enough, I actually prefer this violet color variant more. It looks cleaner, a little more premium, and depending on the lighting, it ships even so slightly in hand. Internationally, Xiaomi also has the dark blue color, and honestly, that one looks incredible. I'm really hoping Xiaomi brings that variant in India too. Now at the back, you've got the square camera module housing the triple camera setup along with the IR blaster, while the flash sits separately outside the module. The camera housing itself seems metallic, and it adds a nice contrast against the matte back panel. The back itself feels like polycarbonate, but in a good way. It hides fingerprints extremely well, and the matte finish gives it a very clean and understated look. Nothing flashy, nothing over-designed. The frame feels metallic too, with rounded corners that make the phone comfortable to hold. It's also surprisingly slim, and the weight distribution feels balanced. Doesn't feel like a brick in the hand. All the buttons are on the right side, the left side stays completely clean. At the bottom you get the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, and the SIM tray. Flip it to the front and you are getting a flat display with slim, fairly uniform bezels and a centered punch hole camera. Now, because of embargo rules, we can't fully talk about the display yet, but Xiaomi seems to be heavily focusing on eye protection this time. This gets 4 TUV Rhine lens certifications, including low blue light, flicker-free, circadian-friendly, and intelligent eye care certifications. I don't think we have tested any other phone with these many display safety certifications before. But let's talk about the real highlight here, the cameras. From our initial testing, the Leica tuning genuinely looks solid. The main camera delivers punchy colors, sharp details, and that slightly contrasty Leica style look people enjoy. But the real star here is the 5x telephoto camera. And this thing genuinely surprised me. Xiaomi clearly wasn't joking about the zoom performance. Some of the samples we captured look ridiculously good for a phone in this category. Have a look. We'll obviously test this camera setup properly in the full review, including low light, portraits, video, the whole thing, so definitely make sure you're subscribed for that. Performance-wise, we're getting the Dimensity 8500 Ultra, which is basically a slightly higher clocked version of the Dimensity 8500. Now, the regular 8500 itself is already a seriously capable chipset. Proper, near flagship level stuff, so performance honestly shouldn't be a problem here. We can't reveal benchmark numbers yet because of embargo rules, but from whatever we have tested till now, day-to-day usage feels smooth and responsive. Now battery-wise, this phone packs a 6500 mAh battery. Sure, it's not one of those absurd 8000 or 9000 mAh batteries we have started seeing recently, but realistically this should still comfortably give you a solid all-day battery life. And charging should be pretty quick too, thanks to the 67-watt fast charging. As for the launch, the Xiaomi 17T is launching officially on June 4 with sales going live soon after. Now, pricing leaks suggest that the phone will land somewhere between 65,000 and 75,000 rupees, but honestly, smartphone pricing has become completely unpredictable lately. So we'll wait for the official announcement. For now though, this has been your first look at this Xiaomi 17T. Stay tuned for the full review and a deeper camera testing once the embargo lifts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.